Alrighty guys, good morning, good morning. Hope we're all well. Are you, Brett? You know what time it is, smoothie time. Morning, morning. Morning, hope we're all well. Morning, Mark. Morning, morning. Goldie's been a bit interesting. I don't know if you guys probably watched the market call this morning. I think we're gonna have some interesting times before the news. But as you can see yesterday, you know, gold had this very the last, I guess, end of last week and start of this week, not really much direction here, and now you've come and, you know, closed incredibly bearish. Grabbing these lows as well, just basic daily. I mean, could you be top wicking to come grab those to then push up? Maybe. We'll have to wait and see, but it would definitely pay to be patient, I think. Morning, James. Morning, mate. Oh, that's a good start. Oh. Internet's off to a good start. There we go. There we go, we're back. Good morning, morning. So all I've done here, guys, is I've just marked out yesterday's high and low as a range to work between. As you can see, price loves to respect these levels. So I think when you're on the lower time frame, having these targets in mind can be very helpful. You know, if you are looking for shorts in line with that daily bias, if we are going to push up before flipping back, then if you've got any entries, then you can see that you've got, you know, this huge range down here if you are taking sells. If it is going to come and grab the daily lows, which is just good to have that stuff in mind. Morning, Brad. How are you, mate? But yeah, you also got these highs up here, which got grabbed. You got these ones here. But overall, you know, you're sort of in this range with no real direction. Let's have a look at I got the smoothie machine. Yeah, gotta have the smoothie. Yeah, I got to jump off around 11:30, which is annoying because I had to jump off early on Friday, but I've got a Zoom call I got to be on, and literally it's a weekly thing. It's only every Wednesday, and I'm like, oh man, so I'll be on that, but we'll jump on Friday for a decent time to try to stay on for 2 and a bit hours like we normally do. But we should get a bit of an idea if, you know, if we're looking for a trade or anything like that by then, I'd say. What do we have on the poll? Yeah, everyone guessed it, making a smoothie. Hope you guys are all well. Goldie's a bit hard here because it's kind of in this no man's land. I mean, if you want to, you know, come down to these lows, 36 ticks, but you could, you know, if you're wanting sells, you don't really have a confirmation yet. If you were, your risk would have to be up there to look for that play down into those lows. But if you look at what Goldie did yesterday, this was just like crazy in here. Grab the lows, close bullish, grab the highs, close bearish, bullish, and then you have this nice bearish close below. Obviously this didn't close, did not really have a bottom wick, so what was that, 50 ticks, even that was quite a big stop. You had that, and then obviously this huge move up. If you guys caught it, did anyone get any of this or this move at all? Anything in there? We're lagging. Is the rain making us lag? Hold on. No, seems alright, I think. That's weird. It's just on my little window I've got open. It looked like it was laggy, but it's not. It's not. It's fine. But yeah, I think it's just, again, be patient. You've got this huge, like that daily range, what, 480 ticks, which is massive. Yo, Mark. Yo, Nathan. Congrats on your payout, man. That's epic. Really good stuff. Great work. Below on at least 30-minute, yeah. Yeah, I think you'd need to see something at least on a 30 or even an hourly, you know, sort of below this level. Get a closure below. And then if you wanted to, I don't know what your RR would be, but wanted to tag those lows, or even if you just trailed that 30, that's probably what you'd want to wait for. So your two sort of levels are here. You're just in this little range. I had sales last night in New York. Oh, in here? Nice. Yeah, nice. Yeah, because, you know, throughout the day you had, well, both. You had that level here to target, but this level, beautiful double top here. Didn't grab it. So as soon as you grabbed it, closed back below, and you start breaking back below this level here, there's your risk. There are your lows to target, and smashed it. So yeah, that was a nice trade, that one. Made sense. Made lots of sense. Get some doof doof playing. I know Chris loves the doof doof first up in the morning. Slow jazz it is. I think jazz is probably one of the only things that doesn't get copyrighted. The weight room music. Yeah, I'd love to like play some Liquid DMB, but I did that on the stream and it just, I came back and I had like all these copyright violations from all the artists. Sounds like elevator music. It's so hard, and then all the non-copyright music is very, very average. Let's have a look. NCS, get your guitar. Yeah, the guitar's right there. Allowed to swap trading platforms during trade event? No, you can't, unfortunately. You're stuck with whatever you picked, unfortunately, Brad. Yeah, I got some non-copyright DMB, but if it's too hectic, we'll see. Elevator music really lift you up. That's fantastic. Chris loves a good pun. Hey, has its ups and downs. Yeah, very good, very good, very good. How's your take profit trader going, Chris? You said you're close to doing your finishing the challenge or something like that. So let me do it. I try to be creative. I don't have the candlestick abilities of Aaron. 8 more ticks on copper. Oh yeah, what's copper doing? I've been sleeping on copper. Oh yeah, look at that. Coming for them daily lows. Yeah, long or short. Where's the daily high? Oh geez, look at that range. What's that like? How does copper work? So so say from here to here, is that what, 14 ticks? Is that how it works? Is that what it is? 14 ticks? I don't quite know how it works. Short on copper, yeah, nice. Ticks. 14 or 140? Because then it's like 12.50 a tick. I honestly haven't really traded it, to be honest. But look at this. Like, look at some of this movement. Grab the highs, close bearish, absolutely melted. 5 points is 1 tick. Right. Yeah, it's interesting to work out. Shorts look nice. 450 is 1 tick, so 1 tick, $10. Yeah, nice. Yeah, you just got to manage a little bit aggressively in Asia. Hey. Morning, Mark. Morning, mate. Morning, mate. Morning, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Another little Asia stream. I need to add copper back. So you guys you've been enjoying copper? Been enjoying copper. Bit more full on at times. Yeah, it's probably like NQ and ES. Like, you look how ES moves, it's actually, I don't want to say it's clean, but you look at ES, I didn't even look at NQ. I got PTSD. But very similar, but like these wicks are crazy, whereas ES, it's just a bit more of a slower grind. Have fun, trade the first time. A few from the names here from London session. Yeah, welcome, mate. Good to have you on the stream. I was just saying I do have to jump off in about an hour. Unfortunately, I've got to be on a call. But on Friday, try and usually stay on for like 2 hours at least. See if we can get a trade. But yeah, what we're pretty much looking for on gold. Obviously, we're in a bit of this no man's land. But if we start breaking below here, you could look to take sells into these lows and then potentially even lower. Silver like the Dow. Oh yeah, I've never looked at silver. Is it XAG? I haven't actually ever looked at silver. Do any of you Aussie guys, do you trade ASX at all? I've been watching some ASX stocks. That's not how I trade, it's just taking the piss. But there's been, like, I was talking when I was with Brett, because Brett follows a dude that trades at ASX, and literally you can trade it so simply with breakouts. I actually just sold one, this PYC, which that was literally my analysis, just caught the breakout, sold that the other day. It was like almost 100% return. And it's just on the weekly time frame. It's so simple. Yeah, silver to the moon. But like, look at this. Some of these, I don't know if you guys are into the ASX, but you could, like, weekly or daily, you just trade breakouts, stop below there. Yeah, it's some crazy good moves. So that's also something I sort of muck around with. Even like this one, like basic breakout of a level. Weekly could be breaking out with volume. It was like a 40% upside. But yeah, something else to look at. It's always interesting to obviously diversify. But yeah, if you guys have anything you want me to look at or any questions, ask away, because I think it's probably going to be a slow burn with gold. Doing his 10-week course. Yeah. ASX trader. Brett's used a bit of his content and what he teaches before, so it's quite interesting just to look at. I don't know, but has silver always been like a bit lagging of gold? Like if gold starts ripping, silver catches up because it's a metal as well. Is that like an economic thing? I don't know if that's a thing or not. You guys been following Adrian Portelli? He just picked up that Mercedes McLaren. Mental. That guy's on a different planet. Gold to silver usually get volume at the same time in my experience. Oh yeah. Definitely a bit more industrial use in silver. Yeah, that's what I thought. How's our mate Bitcoin doing? Oof. Could that be the lower high? Come lower. Oh, it used to pour silver. That's sick, Eddie. That's cool. That's really cool. That's different. Are you still in copper, Chris? Look at this. This is a forward test. Ended up hitting, but just like whipsaw. 30-minute. Could you be bottom wicking to come and grab some of these highs? Yes. Warp silver on Insta, but out of the game. Oh, that's cool. Sweet. So do you just buy like... I don't really understand how it works. You just buy like scraps, melt it down and sell it sort of thing. Go to like... Yeah, that's cool. I don't really know much about smelting or silver or... Here we go. Here we go. Brett's got a serious question. Wow, that's epic. Go on copper. Yeah, true. That's cool, man. I'm waiting in anticipation. Here we go. If I have a swing long position, go in there and scalp shorts. No, you should be able to stack them, Brett. If you want to hedge or whatever. Oh, do they have a hedging rule? Let me have a look. I did it on my Alpha Capital, but I don't know if they've got a hedging. They just don't. Can hedge on FTMO swing. Oh, maybe you can't. Hold on. I feel like it would be, Brett. There's a bit on their website. Hedge. Oh, you might have to give it a crack, Brett. It seems like you can, but... You don't really want to be trading in this, hey. That's the thing, like on the 5, you could get caught in, oh, this is going short, then that'd pump up. But if you just look at the hourly and the 30, you look at the hourly, hasn't really done much. Doji, grabbed the highs, rejected. Now this one's sort of just dojiing again. Yeah, Aaron will know for sure because he's used them a fair bit. This is what the no copyright DMB is. I'm in short, caught the top of gold. Of gold, like here. Here-ish. Like that. Yeah. Yeah. Fair enough. See if it plays out. Hope it does, obviously. What's that? 30 ticks. We'll mark it up. We'll see. But yeah, you'd have to be risking off that liquidity grab. I've had a habit of, not habit, but in the past, like this, getting caught in this has just chopped me up so much. Yeah, I'm the same. Not really FOMO, Simon, like Asia and London, but yeah, wake up in the morning and see all the guys in US, but I'm not staying up that late. Let's have a look, yeah. The only thing too with copper, you have, I suppose, grab that high. Grab lows. It's crazy how much cleaner copper's been than gold. Oh yeah, because you're overseas, that's right. What time's the news today? Oh, there's news at 11 a.m. NZD cash rate in 15 minutes. Nearly quit my job the other day. It'd be like that. Yeah, 100%. Asia's been pretty good lately. There's obviously like stuff you can get caught in, like this stuff and this stuff here, but been pretty good. You can, something that, you know, does seem to work well with Asia is just trading after the 4 hour closes. If it closes bearish, just look for sells into lows. Yeah, fun's one word for it. I'll chuck my my little link in there. See, this isn't liquid. I want more liquid DMB, not like hectic festival DMB. This is my, for any of the guys not in the community, or if you do want to learn a bit more. Got my little link there. I always forget about this because usually just tune into the free streams. Hopefully get some value. Yeah. Story time. Fucking so funny. So funny. What's Goldie on we? Do you recommend the quarterly, yearly switch and debating joining you guys for a few weeks now? Seems like a great community. Yeah, I'm obviously biased. I've been in there almost 2 years now, but I'm sure, yeah, some of the other guys will jump in as well. It's up to you. I believe with the quarterly, you still get a 1-to-1 with Aaron, which usually you have to pay extra for. But yeah, sure the other guys will jump in with their 2 cents. It's a bit hectic here. I think the quarterly works out cheaper. Oh yeah, copper's coming back up to BE. Gold's dipping. CS Slim. This will end up being a very nice position for you, mate. Yeah, man. I think with the quarterly, you get a 1-to-1 if you don't want to do a year. This music's too hectic. Yeah. You get a one-on-one with the big man. I've also got there's a mentoring session this Saturday too. Once a month, do a mentoring session, which is like Aaron jumps on and you can ask questions and run through things from the month. So that's coming up on Saturday. That's like a once a month thing. It's like a open forum thing on a Saturday. So it's no trading. It's just value and questions. Oh yeah, sound. Yeah, it gets interesting with usernames. PE hit on copper. Yeah, it's moving up now. See, this is what I was a little bit unsure of on Goldie. It's too much. 30-minute grab lows now rejecting. We're about to get that NZD rate news in 8 minutes. Yeah, if you got it, man, for sure. Yeah. Definitely. This is going to be another hectic song. Like, listen to this. It's a bit hectic. Twitch DMB. Yeah, it's like, I don't hate it. I don't not listen to it, but it's just like, yeah, maybe not for streaming. It's a filthy drop though. Just sitting there, bap, 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 bap. Do love good, man, I wish I could play some of my actual tunes I've got in my playlist, but got some great like melodic house and like liquid DMB and house tracks and I was fully into car audio. I used to judge car audio pro comp taking out receipts. That's mad. I remember my first car, it was a 97 Nissan Pulsar, little hatchback. And we put a big sub in the back, and I used to have the head unit. I used to have to turn it down to like -8 bass, because otherwise the sub would get the rear view mirror shake and just like drop the mirror. And I thought I was cool. I think everyone with first car's done something like that though, to be fair. Yeah, you got a nice grab here on copper. Could you flip that down into like here, maybe? But you're gonna get this hourly close in 5 minutes, so. Sound deadening on the number plates. I am cool. Thanks, Brett. Thanks, mate. The wing mirrors used to go crazy. Such a huge edge subwoofer, yeah. First car I drove it ditched 3 days after I got my license. It seems like a very Brett thing to happen. There's people that trade ES and NQ in Asia, which I find interesting. Like, it might move alright, but... I'm interested to see how this NZD rate moves the market, if at all. Yeah, hourly's about to close. Look at this. Like, if anything, if you're desperate to take a trade, which it's sort of like, you're going to get... When you've got breakouts that happen like this, it's like, why bother in this? But... Because even then, you know, even if you risk off those highs into these lows, you could just, again, whipsaw, like here. Grab the highs, close bearish. Yeah. Yeah, I agree, Brett. Me too. Me too, mate. Where are our 4 hourly levels? Yeah, see. Now you've grabbed, that's the 4 hour high. So you've grabbed the 4 hour high coming back down. You've had this nice little double bottom down here. So, you know, for the rest of the day, you could potentially see price continue moving down again into this low. Because it's very surprising for that push up, it didn't grab here. So that sort of makes sells seem like they make a little bit more sense. But it only didn't really grab it, only just tagged it, only just. Yeah, I think... Where's Asia? Like here? Where is it? In here. This is Asia NQ. Like actually... Maybe it's off the back of the New York PM session, but I'm sure there's people that trade it. Oh, here you go. Goldie maybe breaking out a bit now. Yeah, I think it's a bit desperate if you're waiting for, yeah, if you're trading NQ in Asia. See if it can close below this level. Yeah, potentially. I mean, at the moment, that would be where your risk area made most sense if you were taking sells. We're closing now. Oh. There's that NZD rate. You haven't really, you know, you're rejecting. Now you could look at flipping that. Oh, you end up getting copper, Chris. Damn, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Could you, you know, broken below, could you flip Goldie now, risk off these highs? Maybe. You haven't really, would it be nice for you to grab that though? Grab that, give you a valid risk, and then if you wanted to look at a flip, Yeah, typical 11 a.m. pump. See, this music's a little bit better. 22 ticks, grab and run. If you're whipsawing like this, probably not a bad shout. I mean, it's up to you at the end of the day. Yeah, I haven't. I mean, I still think there's going to be cleaner moves, unless you were happy to risk off this 30 high. I obviously accept that if it's just going to top wick again. But I wouldn't be, if that does push down, I wouldn't be stressing that you've missed anything. Because you could even just muck around. We're not in. Not in that. But 30 high is 6 ticks. Yeah. Yeah, don't burn yourself out too for little scalps are good if you can take them. But a lot of people aren't disciplined to take it. They're trying to get the home run. So I do think though, if we can start flipping, this would be a very nice area to start looking to take sells down. I say the term very nice loosely because it's still not super clear, but yeah, something like that. Even if you wanted to risk off these, it's probably the only thing that makes sense. And just let it run. But even then, you could just whipsaw around. Yeah, exactly. Let's mark it up and see. Oh yeah, 100%. Gave the stream a like. Thanks, mate. Yeah, forgot the little shameless plug. Drop a like for the stream, guys, if you can. Appreciate you tuning in. Yeah, that's why it can just be Yes, pushing up now. Grab the lows. Almost like a little morning star there now. Current 30s grabbed a 4-hour low and 4-hour high. I mean, I don't hate this idea. It's just in such a sort of tough no man's land area. I don't hate that idea, but it's, it's just price action doesn't really give me heaps of confidence. Oh yeah, on copper, fair enough. Pardon me. What do we got? What, 41 people tuning in? Drop a little like, guys. Little like for the stream. We almost hit 300 subscribers too, which is cool. Which I know it's not heaps, but I was only at like 100 when I started this. And hey, welcome, Sean. Pleasure to have you in here, man. 41 people and 3 likes. Nah, it's more than that. 19. I liked my own stream. Flipping now. The Spartans had 300, yeah. Exactly right. I gotta keep an eye on the time too. 20 minutes, I have to jump off. It's annoying because everyone sort of tunes in around that 11. So it's like the second time I've had to jump off around 11:30, but on Friday we'll stay on a bit longer because I like jumping on with you guys. It's good fun. No, I'm not in this. I was just saying if I don't hate this idea overall. I'm not in it though. But yeah, I don't, if you're risking off there, I don't hate the idea. But I'm not in it. Not in. What about 295 subscribers? How good? That's sick. H4 closing in 47. You mean on the futures, bro? I know the futures has a time delay, but I should look at the currency. But yeah, what's that down into here? There's your 20 ticks for Asia. If you're in that, you'd probably look at doing something like that, because if that comes and re-breaks them, then you don't want to be in the trade. Could be a huge push down there. That was a calendar reminder for my Zoom in 15 minutes. Jump on with Powell, see what he's saying. Yeah, it's annoying. I'm a bit annoyed I got to jump off at 11:30, but these guys only had Wednesday availabilities, and it's once a week, so. Yeah, I know. That's exactly right. No, it's just good though, like jumping on with everyone and, you know, chatting and that sort of thing. But yeah, exactly. Like, doesn't look like we're gonna miss much. Pardon me. Yeah, maybe that's the thing. Maybe I need to jump off earlier, and that way we get the volume and absolutely rip. One thing though that I reckon you guys should do, if you haven't done this already, there's a really cool link here called the Daily Compound Interest Calculator. If you got nothing else to do, give this a check, and it's cool because you put in your balance and then even like a conservative amount, and it gives you the, like if you just get say 5% a week or 10% a week, and it shows you how it compounds. So you know it can actually be really good for taking those small wins. Something I mucked around with. Am I going to Vietnam? No, I'm not going to get to Vietnam, unfortunately. Not this one. Yeah, honestly, I can't speak highly enough of the retreats. Brett's been on the retreats as well, if he's still here. He's been on the Bali one. The Bali one was sick. I went to the first. I've been on two of them now. The first one in Thailand, and then which is where I met all the guys, and then obviously the Bali one, which the retreats are fantastic. They're epic. Yeah, I'm hopefully gonna get to Bali. I've got it. I think I'll be due a holiday by then, so I'm gonna try and get over to Bali for next. I believe it's March. Because it'd be good to meet up with all you guys and that sort of thing. Plus the retreats are just great. It's like it's like a bunch of, like, you all become mates and you hang out and eat food and trade and swim and chill. It's epic. Yeah, potentially, Simon. I mean, there's your 30 high grab, so could you drive a bit lower? I need to change my shirt for this meeting, hey? T-shirt probably looks a bit better than a singlet. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, Nathan, I run my own business, asset finance brokerage business. So yeah, sort of busy with that as well. That's why I only jump on 2 times a week. But yeah, came back from home. I got a little bit bored. The opportunity to start that up. So yeah. I don't think I'll ever trade full-time as a sole source of income. But yeah, I've got like a little asset and equipment finance business. So yeah. But yeah, just I work from home and yeah, self-employed, so it's like starting out anything new, you know, it's a bit of a grind to build your base up, but just good to have something else that I do. That's why I only do like the Wednesdays and Fridays, just a couple days a week. So I still need to train, still need to obviously do my stuff for that as well. Nah, nah, I can't do that. No, definitely not. Definitely not. No, it's just like vehicles and yeah, there goes gold. Vehicles and equipment, so like cars and uh, like loans or equipment loans and that sort of thing. Pretty much everything except mortgages. See, now we're breaking out. Got another filth track. Yeah, exactly, Sean. Yeah. Operate as a representative under the company with the license, so authorized credit representative they call it. Just gave up my TPT copper and then some, got tagged in a 15 close blow, so what I've said about trading. Yeah, 15 hasn't been my mate lately. You watch it'll drop now too. Yeah, I think it was last week or the week before and I got caught on the 15. Yeah, pretty much. Oh yeah, sweet. Yeah, I would like to get into mortgages, but you need like mentoring and stuff under it. My background is in asset finance. I was working in a car dealership for like almost 3 years doing as a business manager, doing all the like finance and insurance in a dealership. And I'm like, I'll just go do it for myself. And yeah. Could you see, I mean, again, you're in this no man land. Goals, just grab the lows, grab the highs. I'll just do a quick little wrap up because I will have to jump off shortly. But yeah, you've obviously got all this clear range here. You've got range here as well. As we said, it's a bit tricky here because gold's kind of in this no man's land. Yeah, gold's kind of in this no man's land here. So it could go down, could go up. There's some lows to target. You've probably properly grabbed the highs now. So if this 4 hour does flip, then you could look to see the daily flip. So, you know, you may get some sells into those daily lows, but don't rush anything, guys. When's the news come out? Oh, no, news isn't till tomorrow. Yeah, so tomorrow. But yeah, you know, that could be, again, if you want to risk off that, that could potentially be an option to drive lower. But don't rush anything. But yeah, those lows overall could be nice. But I will have to wrap it up here. But on Friday, we'll stay on till like 12:30 like we normally do. So yeah, appreciate you guys tuning in. That's sort of what I'm looking for overall. But yeah, we'll try and jump on for a bit longer on Friday. So appreciate you guys still tuning in, even though a shorter one, because I enjoy doing these and jumping on. But yeah, hope you guys just remember, stay patient, trade safe, and then wait for the confirmations with the rules and that sort of thing. But yeah, same. Will probably be on about 10:30 Brisbane time on Friday, but I'll have the little stream scheduled on my YouTube, so you know. But yeah, cheers, guys. I'll see you all on Friday, hopefully. And if you have any questions, shoot me a message on socials or that sort of thing, and we'll talk soon. Enjoy. See ya.